Welcome, here I've got Nokia 8.1 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera promote at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it. We can do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the left here. And here we are. The Pro mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar and with the first one button here, which is the white balance. So here we can control the temperature of our picture and we have access to this slider. By using this we can change it and we can pick the daylight, cloudy light, shade light, fluorescent light and incandescent light. So this is how it changes here, and it depends from the light that we have outside or inside where we take a picture. So let's move to the next one button. By tapping on this we get access to focusing and we can change the autofocus to manual focus. By using this slider we can do it like that. So this is how it works. And now let's move to the next one button. This is the ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light and we can make it more or less sensitive. As you can see, by using the slider we can pick from 100 to 3 and 2 thousandths of it, so this is really pretty wide spectrum here. And now let's move to the next one button. This is the shutter speed. So here we can change the time of taking picture and we have also access to this slider. We can pick from 1 and 500ths of speed. So this is really short. This is better to objects that are in move. To 4 seconds of taking pictures, so this is really long, and this should be better to objects that are stable. So this is how it works. And here we have important information that this button is not cooperating with the last one button here. So the last one button is the exposure compensation, and to get access to it we have to be on shutter speed on the auto settings, so remember about it. And let's go to the exposure compensation now. So here we can also change the light of our picture, and by using this we can make it more bright or dark as we need, as you can see by going to the right or left. So this is important here, that these two buttons are not cooperating. So for now let me take a picture with some parameters. And now let's go here to the right corner at the bottom. So this is the picture. As you can see, I gave too much light to it. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.